gals and guys, it's Chris Moore from MyMediaHelper.com, and again, I wanted to show you just some commissions that I received. I've been monetized through YouTube for a couple months now. I've been utilizing the Amazon Associates program. I mean, I've signed up a year ago, but I really haven't been using it all that much until recently. So just to get you an idea, I'm just Joe Schmo, a very low membered channel. So I only got, I'm almost at 2.6 thousand, 2,600 followers. So very small channel. It took me about 4 years, it'll be 4 years in September that I started this channel, just to give you a heads up as how long it took to get here. And I just wanted to share you some stuff with you. I just showed you this. So this is just my AdSense. This is just for ads. You can see it's a piddly amount of money that I get. But I haven't really tried to build this site up. That hasn't been my main focus. But you can see I have ads on here, and they get clicked once in a while. I'm starting to put videos on here, so we'll see how that goes over time. Same with these. I just created these sites just recently to place my videos on. And then if you go into these, I'll have commission links and everything, affiliate links, I should say. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm finding that affiliate link services like these over here, I'm not doing anything with any of them. They get clicks once in a while, but I haven't made any commission on any of them at all. So I'm starting to do my own. I'm starting to going to utilize Amazon, and I started creating my own banners, as you see. So the banners are going to coincide with the video. So those are those channels. Now I want to show you. So here's my Amazon Associates. As you can see, here's what I made through the months. A little more up here to the fact that I've finally been utilizing it more than before. This is just recently. This is this month, the month of August. So I get little piddly and commissions for you. You can see it's $1.08 right there, 51 cents right there, and then once in a while you get these larger amounts. So 26.50 right there. I'll get for this month so far. Just to give you an idea, just small channel, not sites that get a lot of hits. And I'm doing all right. I mean, it's gas money for me. I do work for a living. So this is kind of all this money that I get from this and YouTube, I invest it. I don't spend it, I invest it. So I want to show you YouTube. And so I showed you this almost 2.6 thousand or 2,600 subscribers. And you can see I get about 1,000 hits every 48 hours. It could be lower, it could be higher. It really depends. I really haven't done anything with the site since I got monetized. So let's go into the revenue portion. All right. So I started on July 7th. So this isn't a complete month. And it's August 24th. So this isn't a complete month either. But I'm going to hit about $100. So $100 a month right now. And then as I add ideas in videos, I anticipate the viewership will go up and clicks will go up, or views will go up, I should say. So if you see right here, so this is about the average I get per 1,000 clicks. So about 761. It fluctuates. It doesn't go below 750, but it doesn't go above $8 at this point. So that's a pretty good, I think. So I make about here, I'll show you what I make each day. So $4, average $4, I would say, each day. And not too bad for just, I mean, it's not like I didn't do anything. I worked on videos for years to get to this point, but at this point it's just passive income, and I'm just going to build it up. And hopefully obviously the money will go up. And then, I don't know, I'll do what I love. I like to do videos. It wasn't always about the money to begin with, but yes, I like money because I want to retire someday. I'm not going to retire rich, but probably 8 more years of work, and hopefully YouTube will still be around and they'll still be doing advertising money. And then once I retire in 8 years after I build this up, I'll just do this, live off my pension and my Social Security and whatever money that I have saved. So That's my goal as far as that's concerned. So I also wanted to show you, if you're not aware, this is Social Blade. So this basically, you can sign up for this and put your sites in here. We'll give you an idea of how many views you're getting, how many subscribers. It will kind of try to estimate what you'll get in the future. If you go, where are we going here? Yeah, if you go to future projections, it would do kind of guess based on what your site has already done to what it's going to be. So that's, if you're not aware, Social Blade. But I wanted to show you something specific on this. This is my other site, actually. Let's go to the site I just showed you. So it's going to kind of give you an estimation of what you'll make monthly. Now this says $61. I'm going to make more than that. I'll make about 100 plus, 100 and some change, not too much over 100. And I'll probably make maybe about 1,500, 1,200 so far for the year until I start adding videos, and then that possibly could go up. And then if we go back to AdSense, then I can show you it transferred over money from last month to here, and they don't pay. They pay $100 and above. So this month or next month, I should say, they'll go ahead and pay me. I did have money from before, from like $500 like before, and let me show you that. They didn't give me that money, and I'm not going to try to go after it, just to the fact I don't want them to look at my channel. I don't want them to touch my channel. I don't want them to screw with my channel. See over here, this money I got in the beginning of the year around December. That's when I was monetized for like a week or two, and then they demonetized me. And then I had to take a bunch of stuff down. And then I got monetized again. So I'm not even going to worry about this. It's just sitting there in limbo. Who knows? I doubt I'll ever get that, but I'm not going to ask for it just because I don't want them to fuck with my channel. So the last thing I really wanted to show you is I do have several channels. This is a second one that I do take care of on a daily basis. This is a shorts channel. So the other one was long form. This is my shorts channel. So every day I do a video about a minute long. And I just want to give you, it's not monetized. I'm trying to get it monetized. As you can see, I got 669 subscribers. It's about a year and a half old. So it took me 4 years to get the other one monetized. So we'll see what happens with this one. The only thing that's killing me is viewerships. Watch hours. I got a lot to go. I'll have my subscribers before I'll have my viewership. So that's something I have to work on. I can only do what I can do, right? I only can release a video to the best of my quality, and it's up to people who are interested. Not up to them, It's is my stuff good enough for people who are interested, stuff like that. So that's about it. I just wanted to get into the nitty gritty of what I'm getting so far in the couple months that I've been monetized. As you can see, I'm not in some grand setup. I don't have lights behind me. I don't have a studio. I am going to start cleaning stuff up and have a better background and stuff like that. It's more my tutorials that I focus on. I don't focus on aesthetics, I suppose. I just focus on knowledge and give people tutorials. That's my jam. That's my jam, baby. All right, gals and guys. I thank you as always. I appreciate you very much. If you could please subscribe if this helped you. And let me say this. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel and you're thinking, okay, there's too many YouTube channels out there. Mine's not going to grow. Mine's not going to do anything. Don't think that way. As I always say, no one is you. You are you. No one else is you. So you could bring a fresh perspective, a new personality no one's ever seen before. You might click. You never know what's going to happen. And just work at it. You're just going to have to work at it. You just can't make a couple videos and you think you're going to go viral. I'll never be viral. I'll never be an influencer as far as I know. And but I'm happy with the consistency of it growing. And this video is really for those types of people who just want to grow a channel and just give you an idea of what you'll make, how long it takes, stuff that I do. Maybe it will help you decide what you want to do. As far as I do this all day, I work and then I come home and this is all I do. So it is some type of dedication. So you would have to dedicate time to it, or it's not going to go anywhere, right? You have to kind of keep it up and keep it dusted and painted and pristine and clean. All right, gals and guys, where was I? Oh yeah, please subscribe, like, and bell for updates, and share. And I hope this helped you. Please, any comments down below if this helped you. I'll do another one, I don't know, in a couple months, and we'll see where we are from there. And just like I did before, as far as me getting to monetization, I used to make videos. Now from there, I'll see how far we can take it, and how much money I'll make as I continue, and I'll share that with you. I don't have a problem with that. All right, gals and guys, I appreciate you as always, and I will catch you later. See ya.